For centuries, global trade has connected nations and cultures. Today, we stand at the cusp of a new era in global trade, powered by the digital revolution. The digital economy is transforming the way we buy, sell, and interact in the global marketplace. The internet has become the new Silk Road, connecting businesses and consumers across continents. Digital platforms have emerged as virtual marketplaces, offering a staggering array of goods and services from every corner of the globe. The rise of e-commerce giants like Amazon, Alibaba, and Flipkart is a testament to the transformative power of digital trade. These platforms have revolutionized the retail industry, providing consumers with unparalleled convenience and choice. The digital economy is creating a more inclusive and interconnected global marketplace. By embracing these new technologies and adapting to the changing landscape, we can unlock unprecedented economic growth and prosperity for all. The digital economy is breaking down geographical barriers like never before. Imagine a world where a small business in India can seamlessly sell its products to customers in Brazil, or a student in Nigeria can access online courses from a university in Canada. This is the power of the digital marketplace. Consumers are increasingly turning to online platforms for their shopping needs, enticed by the convenience, variety, and competitive prices offered by e-commerce giants and smaller online retailers. The growth of digital trade is fueled by several factors. The increasing penetration of internet and smartphone usage globally has given millions access to online marketplaces and digital financial services. The rise of social media has also played a crucial role, connecting businesses with potential customers worldwide and facilitating direct-to-consumer marketing. Global e-commerce sales are projected to reach trillions of dollars in the coming years, highlighting the enormous scale and potential of this burgeoning sector. Developing countries are also experiencing rapid growth in digital trade, as businesses and consumers alike embrace the opportunities offered by the digital economy. The rise of e-commerce giants like Amazon, Alibaba, and Flipkart has been one of the most defining features of the digital economy. These behemoths have revolutionized the retail industry, offering an unparalleled selection of goods and services at competitive prices. Amazon, for instance, has transformed from an online bookstore to a global retail giant, offering everything from groceries to electronics to cloud computing services. Alibaba has established itself as the dominant e-commerce player in China, connecting millions of small businesses with consumers across the country and beyond. These e-commerce giants have played a pivotal role in driving the growth of cross-border e-commerce. They have made it easier for businesses, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises, to reach a global audience by providing access to their extensive logistics networks and customer base. However, the dominance of these e-commerce giants has also raised concerns about market concentration and fair competition. Despite these concerns, the impact of e-commerce giants on the global trade landscape is undeniable, and their influence is only expected to grow in the coming years. The digital Silk Road is paved with innovative technologies that are revolutionizing global trade. From digital currencies to smart contracts to AI-driven logistics, the digital economy is constantly evolving, creating a dynamic and exciting landscape for global commerce. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer faster, more secure and transparent payment options, reducing reliance on traditional banking systems. Blockchain technology is also being explored for its potential to streamline supply chain management, improve transparency, and combat counterfeiting. AI-powered logistics and delivery systems are optimizing routes, reducing delivery times, and minimizing costs. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts powered by blockchain technology, are automating contractual agreements, reducing the need for intermediaries, and minimizing the risk of disputes. This technology has the potential to revolutionize international trade agreements, making them more efficient and secure. Section 5. The world is our marketplace, digital exports and global players. The rise of digital trade has led to a surge in digital exports, with countries around the world vying for a share of the global e-commerce pie. Digital exports encompass a wide range of products and services, from software and digital media to online education and telemedicine. China has emerged as a global leader in digital exports, driven by its massive e-commerce market and its prowess in manufacturing electronics and digital devices. The United States remains a major player, particularly in software and digital services. India is rapidly catching up, fueled by its burgeoning IT sector and a young, tech-savvy population. A robust digital infrastructure, including high-speed internet connectivity and secure payment gateways, is crucial. Governments play a vital role in fostering a conducive environment for digital trade by implementing supportive policies, promoting digital literacy, and investing in research and development. The digital economy is creating a more level playing field in global trade, allowing developing countries to leverage their strengths and participate in the global marketplace on a more equal footing. Section 6. Your place in the digital bazaar. The digital revolution in trade is not just about abstract statistics and distant corporations. It's about you, the consumer, and the choices you make every day. Think about your own online shopping habits. Have you purchased something from a website based in another country? Have you used a digital payment platform to transfer money internationally? If so, you've already participated in the global digital economy. Every time you browse an online marketplace, compare prices from different sellers, or read product reviews from international customers, you're engaging in the digital bazaar. The digital economy empowers you as a consumer. It gives you access to a wider variety of goods and services at more competitive prices. By being an informed and responsible digital citizen, you can contribute to a safer and more equitable digital economy for everyone. Section 7. Setting sail in the digital sea. A guide for businesses. The digital sea of global trade can seem daunting, especially for small businesses that are new to the game. But fear not, with the right strategies and a bit of courage, businesses of all sizes can navigate these waters and discover new horizons of opportunity. The first step is to embrace the digital mindset. This means going beyond simply having a website or social media presence. It's about integrating digital technologies into all aspects of your business, from marketing and sales to operations and customer service. Leverage the power of digital marketing to reach a global audience. Explore social media marketing, search engine optimization, and online advertising to raise awareness about your brand and products. Positive online reviews and word-of-mouth marketing can be powerful drivers of growth in the digital marketplace. Section 8. The future of trade, a world of opportunities. The digital revolution in global trade is still unfolding and its full impact is yet to be realized. However, one thing is clear: the future of commerce is digital. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more innovative solutions and disruptive business models to emerge, further transforming the way we buy, sell, and interact in the global marketplace. This new era of trade presents immense opportunities for businesses that are willing to adapt and innovate. By embracing digital technologies, businesses can unlock new levels of efficiency, reach new customers across the globe, and tap into previously unimaginable markets. But the benefits of digital trade extend far beyond economic growth. By connecting people and businesses across borders, digital trade has the potential to foster greater understanding, cultural exchange, and collaboration. The future of trade is in our hands. Let's shape it wisely.